In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the address on a QuickBooks invoice. If the address showing on your invoice is outdated, incorrect, or just needs to be updated for customer-facing documents, QuickBooks Online makes it fairly simple to fix. The important thing to understand is that invoice address details are usually pulled from your company settings, so instead of editing each invoice one by one, you can update the address in your account settings and make sure future invoices display the correct information. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, click the gear icon. This is where you'll find many of the settings that control how your account works, including the information tied to your business profile. Once the menu opens, go to the section labeled Your Company and then select Account and Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your QuickBooks company, where details like business information, contact data, and invoice-related company details can be updated. From the menu on the left side of the screen, click Company. This section contains the core information associated with your business. After that, find the Address section and click it to open the address fields for editing. Now you can update the information you need. Depending on what you want to appear on invoices, you may see options for your company address or your customer-facing address. The company address is your main business address in QuickBooks, while the customer-facing address is the one that may appear on documents your customers receive, such as invoices. Make sure you edit the correct one based on how you want your invoices to look. Take a moment to carefully review the address before saving, especially things like suite numbers, postal codes, and formatting. Even a small typo can cause confusion on customer documents, so it's worth double-checking everything here. When you're done making changes, click Save to apply the update. Then click Done to exit the settings window. That's it! Your address has now been updated in QuickBooks Online. If you don't see the change right away on an invoice, try opening a new invoice or refreshing the page to confirm the updated address appears correctly. This is a quick but important adjustment that helps keep your invoices accurate and professional.